guys, it's TJ Faith here. Welcome to the channel. This is Israel Life and this is Real Life. Today we're crocheting a bucket hat and we're following a tutorial from a channel named Viv Crochets. The materials you will need include a 5mm hook, a yarn needle, and some yarn. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. First step is to make a magic ring. After the magic ring, you will chain 2. Next is to double crochet 10 times into the magic ring. When you're done with the 10 double crochets, you will grab your tail and pull it tight. So now you're going to slip stitch into the very first double crochet of the row. After that, you will chain 2. Next is an increase row, which means you're going to double crochet into each stitch twice for the whole row. Once that row is done, like the last row, we're going to chain 2 and then start double crocheting with an increase. But this time, we'll increase after every 2. So double crochet 1, then increase over and over till you reach the end of the row. And so you're going to keep doing these increase rows of double crocheting until the circle is the circumference of your head. So this is when I decided to move on. I didn't realize when I was making it that it was too big for my head. I kind of convinced myself that it was the perfect size and kept going, but it's okay. In the video, she did 8 rounds of increasing, but I definitely did more. So once you finish crocheting your knitted rows, you will chain 2 and double crochet normally. So this next row you will double crochet once into every stitch, but going into the back loops only for the whole row. And after that first row of double crochet into the back loop, you will do the next rows going through both loops again. And you will do that for however many rows you feel is long enough for you. In the video, she did 6 rows of normal double crochet for the length of the hat, but again, you guys can do how many you feel necessary. When you have finished those rows, you're going to double crochet into the front loop for 1 row. And for the rest of the brim, you're going to go through both loops. And you go through both loops for 5 more rows. Don't forget that these double crochet rows are gradually increasing. This is when I finished with the rows for the brim, and all that was left was to start tying off loose ends. Also, my hat looks much looser than the one in the video does, and I think that's because of the yarn I chose, but I still like how it ended up looking. So here I am tying a knot and getting ready to weave it in so it won't come undone. And just like that, we are done. Yay! I forgot to turn it back inside out, which is why the brim is turning in on itself, but I did that off camera. So here's my bucket hat on my mannequin Celefria. And if you look, you can see the little hearts that I crocheted on the top. So yeah, I actually went back off camera as well and crocheted some little hearts and attached them to the hat, which was really fun, and I really liked how that looked as well. Well, thank you guys for tuning in and watching me crochet. I will see you all next time. TJ Faith, logging out. Bye!